This video will be for the person who has a very, very stiff neck. So maybe I've done an examination today and you're watching this video because we've identified a lot of stiffness and tightness in the neck, and we're adjusting and manipulating to get mobility back in there, and we're also going to supplement that with some exercises. So the first exercise is going to be a stability exercise. It's really important. It's called the chin tuck. You can do this standing or sitting, and it's basically almost like a filing cabinet. Door is open and we're trying to close it. I think that's the best analogy for this. So it's actually called the chin tuck. It's a translation of the head backwards. It's not neck flexion or anything like that. So from the side, basically it looks like this: chin tuck, relax, chin tuck, relax, chin tuck, and relax. And what that's going to do is going to help the lower cervical extensors and the upper cervical flexor muscles start developing some stability and strength, which will encourage more movement. The second exercise we're going to look at is improving rotation. So let's say, for example, you have a major deficit to one side. Well, maybe it's a better idea to focus more on that side and less on the side that's improved, so we're not wasting too much time. So what we want to do is, again, chin tuck. So we're in a really great neutral posture. So chin tuck, and let's pretend we're stuck to the right. So we're going to chin tuck and rotate to the right and relax. Chin tuck, rotate to the right and relax. Chin tuck, rotate to the right and relax. And you can use the opposite side for a bit of a balance and see if you can equalize both sides, and then maybe improve both sides together. Would be a great way to deal with this. Okay, so now we take a hand towel and we drape it over the back of the neck here. With my right hand, I'm going to reach across and keep this one down. And with my left hand, I'm going to hold the opposite side, and this is going to come across my chin like that. This is really nice and comfortable. So I'm going to pull down on my right hand here. I'm going to pull this down for some anchorage. I'll just step back so you can see that. I'm going to pull down for some anchorage, and then I'm going to rotate and add a small amount of pressure at the end. So I'm going to chin tuck, turn, and then pull with this hand outwards, adding a little bit of rotation, stretch. Okay, so the third exercise will be lateral flexion. So what we're going to do is chin tuck again, and we can maintain this chin tuck position, and we're going to lateral bend to one side 10 to 20 times like this. And when you're finished, obviously go the other side as well and repeat that 3 times. Also, one important note is to, when you chin tuck, don't let any rotation happen with your head here. So chin tuck like this, and make sure it's the ear moving towards the shoulder without any rotation towards it or rotation away from it. We want pure lateral flexion here for the best result. Now, finally, the fourth exercise will be a chin tuck with extension, and this can be a really stiff movement for most people because we end up looking down at our computer a lot, and the extension movement here gets very, very tight. So let's do an assisted neck extension with a hand towel. What we want to do is place that towel behind the back of the neck here, and we're going to add pressure forwards like this. So we're going to add pressure forwards, we chin tuck, and as you extend, lift the hands with the level of the chin. Chin tuck back and up and relax. Chin tuck, up and relax. So let me demonstrate how not to do this exercise. What we're going to do is retract. This is perfect. And we begin the motion. This is great. But a lot of people do this. They lean into their lower back. This is very, very wrong. This is actually going to compress this and hurt this. So what we want to do is do a little bit of a pelvic tilt, tense the core, forward pressure on the towel, chin tuck into the resistance, add the extension. To make that exercise a little bit more difficult, grab yourself a thick power band like this, and we want to do the exact same thing right here. Tense the core, forward pressure, chin tuck into resistance, add the extension. Now, the more I push forward here with the arms, the harder it's going to be, and the more the muscles are going to need to work. So also at the end of the video now, watch the other 2 videos about your sleep posture, and also how to maintain better posture in the workplace and just normal day-to-day stuff. So hopefully that helps. Any questions, comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you.